Hey, my name is Chris McGarahan. My ID number is 116320. My test form number is test 6. Ricky's going to show you my form there. I'll start out with a chest press. Be in a readiness position. And I'm going to go 1, 1, 2. And with all of these, the length of the band is going to be the same. You don't want it to be any more or less than the length of the muscle. We're kind of limited here with the amount of equipment we have, so it might be wrong as we're doing this, but with every exercise, it's going to be about the length of the muscle that we're exercising for that one. So the next one is going to be the overhead, the overhead press. So it's going to be ready in this position. 1, 1, 2. Next is going to be the row, and it's going to go back like this. 1, 1, 2. Next is going to be the reverse fly, so I'm going to bring it back up. Okay. Ready in this position. It's going to be 1, 1, 2. Next is going to be lumbar flexion. Yeah, lumbar flexion. So let's see here. Again, the band needs to be a little bit longer on this one, but it's going to be keeping my hips stable, core tight. 1, 1, 2, that's lumbar flexion, and lumbar extension. Hips stable, core tight. 1, 1, 2. 1, 1, 2. Now, for rotation, it's going to be, again, on all these, the band needs to be longer than it is in here. And notice I'm sitting at an angle for rotation. 1, 1, 2. Doing the subscapularis exercise. I'm going to go keep my elbow in, reach over, tuck my opposite bottom corner of my scapula, and then go back. For the external rotation exercise, readiness position, elbow tucked in, out like this, and back. For the bilateral butt burger 3, I am going to relax my shoulders, thumbs in, retract my scapula, and go up. And relax my shoulders. Thumb straight ahead, retract my scapula, up, down, relax. And then thumbs out, retract my scapula, up, down, relax. Done. Next is the standing 3-way. So it's just going to be straight up like this. Readiness position, of course, first. Next one's going to be in the scapular plane. You're going to go up like this. Next one's just going to be out to your sides, like this. And the last one's going to be tucking back to your back pockets like that. Okay. Last one is dynamic black burn. For this one, you're going to want to start here, put your hands back, relax, and you're going to want to lift, tuck down, come up, and then externally rotate up. You want to raise your shoulders to 90, your elbows flex to 90, raise your shoulders up off the floor, retract your scapula back and down, and then up, back down, relax. For the Carbon-On method, you want to calculate your resting heart rate first thing in the morning by radial pulse, counting at 60, or counting it over a minute. Then you want to take your max heart rate, or you want to get your max heart rate by subtracting your HM220. You take that number, multiply it, or subtract that from your resting heart rate. That'll give you a range. You multiply that range times the intensity plus the resting heart rate. And you determine the intensity by the fitness level of your patient. For an average, for example, it's 60 to 70. So you would plug in 60, multiply that range times 60%, add the resting, and that gives you a number. You would plug in 70, get another number, and that would be the range, the training heart rate you would want to keep your patient in for an average fitness level.